Just spinning around my local Asian supermarket, picking up some lovely ingredients. Today we're going to be making some pork ribs. Let's get moving. So we're going to start by boiling our ribs in some water. So I've got some cold water there, as you can see in the wok. We're going to get our pork ribs and we're going to place them in. But next up, we're going to add some aromatics to them to kind of, get some flavor into them while we boil them. So I've got half a lemon here, so just going to give that a little squeeze and then pop the whole lemon in. A couple of nice chunks of ginger. Red chili, a couple of these, just split them open and popping them in. Bit of onion. 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic, some star anise, 3 pieces of that. We're going to add some salt in the mix and then we're going to bring that to a boil, get it on a rolling boil for about 7 minutes. Now they're done, we're going to fetch the ribs out and set them aside. You can discard all of the water. So back in the same wok, got 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the corn oil, and as you can see, I've now chopped my ribs up. Let's get moving. So, ginger, garlic, chunky cut, just a little bit of that. I mean, you can add more than I have if you wanted. Just spin that around in a nice hot oil there. Then we're going to add onion, white onion cubed. There's probably about a cup there or just less than a cup. Then in go the ribs that we've chopped up. And we're going to fry this around for about 4 minutes in this pan. Keep it moving pretty much all of the time. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Got some asparagus. This is a very sort of thin asparagus. I mean, it's optional. You don't have to use this at all. But, I like it in there. Some black pepper. Little spin. If you don't want to use asparagus, you could use some other vegetable like bell peppers or something like that, or carrots. In fact, you don't have to use a vegetable at all. You don't want them. 3 minutes there, just spinning that around again. Nice and hot. About half a cup of water, little bit of fish sauce. Now be careful with fish sauce. I'm going to put in maybe a teaspoon or so. It's very, very salty, so just go careful with it. Some beautiful soy. I'm using a light soy, maybe 3 tablespoons there. A little mix. I'm going to go just for another couple of minutes. Okay, here we go, looking beautiful. We're nearly there, by the way, nearly finished. Oyster sauce. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. With the soy and the oyster sauce, you can adjust it to your liking. Again, a little mix, high heat, about 3 minutes. So that's kind of reduced down a bit and kind of glazed out pork ribs. Delicious stuff, really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.